Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin as we're heading into the weekend. Well, I mean, what can I say? I think this was one of the most boring days ever in crypto. It's only going to be a quick update because, let's be honest, not too much price action happened today. Bitcoin moved a little bit lower, but the price action isn't really significant, didn't really change anything. So the previous comments still stand. Let's talk about the scenarios. I really appreciate if you're still hanging around in a super boring market. It feels a bit like, everybody's on holiday, on vacation. Bitcoin is on vacation. And it seems like Bitcoin is going to take the weekend off because unless something exciting happens here now, I think we're going to see a very, very, very boring weekend. So let's talk about the analysis again. We have a wave one top here in July, and this sort of ABC structure to the downside. Nothing has changed, and this is as accurate as it can get, and we can't really get any more clarity by putting anything else on here. This is an A wave down, in my opinion. We have a B wave top, which might be in already. But as long as it's holding $29,000, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement, it can give us an extended B wave. So it could just extend a little bit higher in a WXY structure in a wave B. I would then pay attention to the resistances at 30,000. 570. And 31,130, and from here it could start a 5-wave decline in a C wave and then find support here. To be honest, I just find it interesting because I just looked at the Coinbase chart, which we're analyzing as well on our second channel. The Coinbase chart also topped in a wave one, likely, is currently coming down in an A wave. It's actually due a B wave bounce and will then come down in a C wave. That would work out here quite well. I mean, I don't like correlations, absolutely not. But this is something that I could imagine here for Bitcoin as well, doing that B wave bounce and then coming down in the C wave together and really take off in a third wave. But again, the condition for a third wave rally is that Bitcoin holds 26,280. We can still get a third wave rally if Bitcoin breaks below that, but we would then first of all move into the alternative trend. And we have to find support somewhere in this area here again, possibly then all the way down to 22K. But I'm not primarily looking for that. This is just the fallback scenario. It's sort of the following scenario. And this is still the scenario. So all eyes need to be on the 29K level. Against that level, short-term upside is possible and likely. So for me, the white wave count is the leading one, but I'm very neutral towards, okay, is the B wave top already in or do we get a higher B wave? I would prefer a higher B wave, really, because it would give the C wave more space when it comes down. Now, if we get after one more high, another higher low and another higher high, then we have 5 waves up. This would only be in a diagonal structure in the yellow wave count. But if we get 5 waves up, it can't really be a B wave. And then I'm very open towards the idea that Bitcoin's low is already in here. Bitcoin has already bottomed, which at the moment I'm very skeptical about. It is still possible, but I'm very skeptical about it because this bottoming structure is not ideal and not very clear. So ideally, we see 5 waves up to confirm it with a 3-wave pullback which follows that. And then we have our next trade setup and can also say with confidence that a lasting low has been established here in our trend reversal area. Until I see that, the assumption is that any rally is part of that B wave. That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.